So before I am going to start this class, I will ask you few questions about the previous class. I hope all of you all remember that about the previous class. So I will ask you some questions. Okay, take your book and pen. Okay, now I will tell you one Hindi varna or Hindi letter. You have to write it down on your notebook. Okay? Okay, write it down. The letter is K. I hope all of you are written on your book. The letter is K. The Hindi varna is K. Now I will write it on the board. Make it sure that is it right or wrong. Okay? I hope all of you are written this letter or Hindi word on your notebook. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ. ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, now I will ask you another one question. Now I will write one Hindi word on this board. You have to tell me how to pronounce that Hindi word. Okay? So, now tell me how to pronounce this Hindi word. Kha. In Kannada, Kha. Here, Kha. Ka, Kha. Okay? After this Kha, which letter comes? Yes. G. Now all of you write on your notebook. I hope all of you are written that letter G. Now I will write it on the board. Make it sure is it right or wrong, or show your elders or your parents was that letter is right or wrong. Okay? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗ ಅಕ್ಷರನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ದಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಈ ಮೂರು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೌ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಣ, ನೌ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. Circle stroke, left curve, right curve, upward curve, lower curve, upper curve, lower curve, standing stroke, slanting stroke, opposite of this slanting stroke, and sleeping stroke, and this is the combination of sleeping and standing stroke. From this, the Hindi varna to hold this Hindi varna, we can use these two combination strokes. Okay? Now we will move on to the remaining letters. Okay? After Ga, the another Ga, big Ga, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗ, ಗಂಟೆ ಗ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಗಂಟೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹಿಂದಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ನೌ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and see how I am going to write that letter. Here one curve, another two left curve, okay? And these two curves, the second curve should attach to the standing curve, okay? And sleeping stroke, okay? Now I will repeat once again. One stroke and another left curve. Here left curve, another one left curve, and the standing stroke and the sleeping stroke to hold this Hindi varna, okay? In Kannada, gha, okay? Next is nya, ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, okay? Put small standing stroke and write one yes. Here left curve and right. You should write big curve at the end, okay? And put one sleeping stroke at the upward, and after beside this Hindi word, put one small dot beside this nya. Beside this letter, put one small dot, okay? This become nya in Kannada. Nya, okay? Now we will repeat this once again. Everybody take your book and write along with me, okay? See here and write it down with me. Write left curve and another left curve, and put one standing stroke which touches to the standing stroke, the second curve, okay? After this sleeping stroke, then it becomes gha, gante, gha, okay? Ghana, gha. Now I hope all of you written on this book this varna. ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ವರ್ಣನ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ and another left curve, and second left curve should touches to the standing stroke, okay? After this sleeping stroke, then it become gha. Next is nya. Next varna is nya. Put one small standing stroke and write one left curve and another right curve. This should be big, and yes, I think all of you recognize this. Is it look like English letter, English alphabet? Yes? Yes, correct. This is correct. You can write yes also, or otherwise you are learner, so you can write like curves. Okay, left curve and right curve. Okay, and sleeping stroke at the upward to hold this varna, and beside this varna put one small dot. Okay, then it become nya. I hope all of you written this on your notebook. Now let's repeat once again. Okay, everybody write on our notebook along with me. Okay, so put one standing stroke, small standing stroke, and left curve. Here is left curve. Okay, and the right curve. We should join here. Okay, join here, and this should be a little big than the left curve, and another one is right curve, and after that sleepy stroke, and beside this word you should put one small dot. I hope all of you written this letter on your book. So let's do it once again. Gha, nya. Okay, now which letter is this? Gha, and this is nya. Okay, now write it once again. Okay, left curve. Everybody write along with me. This is third time. You should write along with me. And another left curve, and standing stroke. Okay, after that sleeping stroke. This become gha. Now let's do it once again. Everybody write again. Left curve, another left curve. This second left curve should touch to the standing curve, and sleeping stroke. Then it become gha. In Kannada, gha. Okay, next is nya. Put one small standing stroke right here, and left curve, and the right curve should be bigger. Okay, like this. Right curve, and sleeping stroke like this. Sleeping stroke. I think everyone writing along with me. Yes. After this, what should we apply? One dot here. ಒಂದು ಬಿಂದಿನ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸತ ಬರೆಯೋಣವಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Standing stroke again, and left curve, and the right curve should be bigger. Okay, and join this and write like this. Okay, or you can write yes also. After this, sleeping stroke, and after this put one dot beside this letter. Then this becomes nya in Kannada. Nya. Okay, gha, nya. Now I will give you homework. Okay? Write these two in the one for 10 times. Okay? I hope all of you write my homework. I will check it on next day. Okay?